Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're covering 10 more Windows keyboard shortcuts we think you should know. We have some other videos like this, so feel free to check those out. But as a big fan of shortcuts myself, we want to keep you guys updated with the best shortcuts for Windows and Mac. Now, before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so my favorite of the bunch here is Control Z. Control Z is undo, and this works in a wide variety, if not all, of your applications on your computer. So for example, I'll show you guys a quick example in Microsoft Word. So let's say you're highlighting something and I accidentally delete like a whole line, right? There's other tools we could use, but if we just press Control Z, we'll undo our last action, and in this case, it'll bring back that sentence for us. So very, very useful one to get used to. All right, the next one is Control W. Most of the time, this will close down whatever you're currently doing. So here I have a new Edge tab open, and if I hit Control W, close, just like that, we have closed the page. All right, next up we have Alt and Tab. By hitting this together, we can switch between our various applications. That's a handy little keyboard shortcut. I'm a big fan of that one. All right, next up we have Alt together with F4. So let's say I'm editing this video project here, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? I just want to actually close this down. I'm going to hit Alt together with F4. That shortcut is to close a program or stop an application from running. Next up, we have Windows key and Tab together. This is going to give us a different view. So it's kind of like Alt-Tab where we can switch between applications, but it gives us this sort of like zoomed out view here where we can view our different tabs. All right, next up, we have a shortcut for renaming a file. If we just hover over a file and hit F2, we can instantly enter the text box and rename this. So I might rename this Indigo Photo 1, and I can, using the up arrows, I'll go to the photo above it and hit F2, and you can instantly rename files, which will save you a lot of time and not having to just right click and hit rename. Next up, we have refresh. F5 is a shortcut to refresh whatever page that you are currently on. Next up, we have Windows key together with S. This opens up the search box, and we can search for an application or anything else throughout our entire PC. All right, next up is Windows key together with L. I'm not going to press it in this case, but what that shortcut does is it locks your screen. So it'll keep your applications and processes running, but it will actually lock your screen. So if you need to leave the room, it's a quick shortcut to kind of keep your security and privacy intact. Lastly, we have Windows key together with X. This brings up our context menu for the start menu. So it's kind of like an additional kind of more back-end start menu where we could access our terminal, task manager, settings, file explorer, etc. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any of those keyboard shortcuts, feel free to drop those questions down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing a wide variety of Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas that you may have for this channel. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps support the channel and make more videos like these possible. So thanks again for watching this video all the way to the end. We'll see you guys next time.